doing it. Okay, so where do I go? I go with you guys, right?
Product owner.
Okay.
I think you passed it.
Yep, go up, right?
Yep, right there, the big one. Yep.
This one, right? Okay.
Yes.
So basically, this is what I was saying. Their provider, and they actually the product owner. This is the one, and of course the English version, and search for classes, basically. So that's the one you'll be selecting, and once it is your time, and who is the instructor, they all say, and they say 25, 26. This kind of course is like this, okay? And then you can learn more, and you can actually register.
Is it like 2 days classes that we have to take?
Yeah, to do the test.
All
Yes.
classes?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, this is how it is. Yeah. No, every professional course actually like this. You know,
Okay.
any course you take in America, everything has to be done in 2 or 3 days.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how it is. Of course.
So is it like online thing, or we go somewhere nearby, or?
Online?
Okay.
Yes, it's online. So you register, and then you follow the process and get it done, and they will tell you.
And there is a fee for this, right?
Yep. I will take care of your fees because you are part of our 100%. You paid all this. I'll take care of all the loss for you. Okay.
Okay.
That's will be taken care for you. Yes. Yeah. Faria, the TS for you paid because she is. Yeah.
So in
all
2 days, they're going to just go over everything what we just did already, but they're going again over, right?
No, they never teach you. They never teach you how to do things. They just tell you what is all the ceremony. Okay. That's the fun part. The course, they don't teach you how to do, right? How to communicate with people. What is the issues? Course does not teach. Course tell me what? Ceremony, content, bullet point. Course teach you the bullet point, okay? That's their agenda.
I
Good deal?
see.
You do here like learning by doing, implementing, and then growing, gaining skills. You get on the bootcamp, you get everything. Okay? And course.
So like from 2 days classes, they think we should be able to take the test, right? That's why we take those 2 days.
You'll be selecting in virtual. So yes, exactly. Then you will be, because course, there is so many informal things, there is so many formal things. I can assure you, the 50% or 60% you do not do any project.
Yeah, it's just like those high
Just
school
bunch
going
of-
lecture 18, right?
Yes, which makes sense. At least you need to know, right? Expose is important, right? You don't know, but that's the way the course work. And in the bootcamp, you actually do the work. Whatever work, and those are the manager who wants to hire you, he wants to know, what did you do? So we do the bootcamp and they do the course. Good deal?
So first we take the 2 days classes, and then we take the dummy test, right?
And they will follow everything.
You will provide dummy test after we are done with the classes?
They do everything. This is everything there. Okay? This is everything there.
The course, when you finish it, they let you take a test. That's the dummy test.
So please do not ask this question. Let her complete, let Faria complete, and then she will give the walkthrough everyone. All right? So let her go through the journey.
Wait, did Fami do it for next week or no?
He's asking me a relevant question. He's holding his question until the workshop. Kind of strange. He should ask this. He asking me his schedule. Everything is here.
I'll wait till you take it for you, and it's like a few days only. So
you're waiting until I fail, and then you'll take it prepared. I see. Okay.
Wait, I didn't say you failed. I didn't say that.
No, I'm the bait. I got it. I'm the bait.
No, you're the smartest one in our team, so we are like depending on you. So
anyway, that's fine. The fail is not a big deal. Hey, don't take it easy, guys. You're not okay. So anyway, she's all good. I took care of everything for her. I paid, and all is good. She's good. If she fails, not a big deal, because continue failing make you strong. But she has she'll be learning all this, everything in the 2 days, all the best practices. So many things we do not teach in the workshop because those are the book version. That's the reason you go here, so that you learn the book version as well. So it is an adjustment. It's amazing process we have here. Okay, any other question? So Fozia, Farhana, you do not need to worry for now. And Fahmi, it seems like he doesn't need to worry about it. Let's Faria go through this, and then let her either, of course, we are expecting she will be successful if in case any accident happens, and she can do the test again. Nothing to worry. It's not the end of the day. It's not a big deal. Good?
Yeah, I still need some time. I have some workshops to
Farhana,
watch.
even you do not need to talk something, it's not relevant. I'm not saying you have to do anything. You are
I know.
not there yet. Yeah, you're good. Don't worry. You're
I'm
good.
also trying. I'm trying hard to get things done here.
No, do not hurt. Do not hurt, then you will be robot. Okay? Because you have to hurt, you have to be more involved. You did something they did not do. They're cheating with the not to do any API. Even the Faria said to mine, no, this is for the QA. I asked mine, and he said, yeah, she is kind of trying to pushing and say it's QA job. I said, yes, the heavy loaded QA job, but the basic, all the work, the product owner has to do as well. That's
When did I say that? Can you give a time when I actually said that? And can you
Maybe
actually believe what he said?
No, I do not want to believe that. But again, hey, you didn't show me anything yet. So I need to say,
It's there to show. You can always look at the user story. It's all there.
month ago, no, show me some API testing. Show me some API testing. I want to test it. This is what I'm looking for on the Swagger, and this is what I will be doing. This is how I'm going to do this test. That's it. I'm not asking you to do the environment variable. I'm not asking you have to do if you don't know some testing, is fine. All I'm asking, just based on the user story, if you understand the payload, if you understand the JSON, if you can answer somebody's question, if you can review some of the test cases, that's all I'm asking. I'm not saying you guys need to do Jenkins, Git, no, nothing. So you guys' scope is same. Like what is her name? And Farhana did it. She was even advanced. You guys don't need to. And I asked her, I told her in the show and tell, no, I'm not expecting from you this kind of thing. That's not in your scope. That's the QA job. Right, Farhana,
I just
remember?
wanted to learn. Yes, I just wanted to learn it.
No, that's fine. Hey, learning is always good. I did not
So
stop
I
you.
can tell people that I also know that.
No. Hey, this is amazing. Exactly. If you know the good amount of Postman and you are training your QA team and your development team, hey, that's the part of the product owner, that you are introducing something, a process is not improved, a process is not good, and you actually take the ownership and you learn yourself each of the API, and you build some testing and you build some standard best practices, and then you actually show the QA and the developer. So moving forward, when they actually started, when developer started the building the API, they actually bring the API on the Postman, from the Swagger to the Postman, and hand over to the QA. Then we all about the good teamwork, and it's amazing. You see this? See, I made up this story for you, and that's exactly how the manager wants, that the team need to work together, get the work done. So I don't see anything you're doing wrong. You're doing very good job. And that's what I was expecting. Faria should involve with the QA and the Fahmi should involve, but for some reason, they're kind of the attaching themselves some type of the title product owner. And I said that many times. I don't like it. I don't like it because I still did not see you guys are showing me some other show and tell, but not the Postman yet. So you think I don't understand anything? I am very smart because I keep my eyes on everything. So in this case, Farhana is excellent because she is involving on that area. I was expecting, and then you guys can learn from the QA. Technically, just for your scope, maybe 2 days or 3 days, just join with them and you can learn. And then you can show and tell that. But that's not done yet. Because Fahmi is moving around it's not done the presentation yet. And yet he's not doing presentation, it's all him. He was doing the show and tell like the OneDrive. I said, no, you need to show me show and tell what purposes you implemented the slide, make a presentation there. What purposes you use the Excel, like pull the query from the Agile NM and clean up in your Excel and present to me. That's what they're asking. I'm not asking you show me how to use the Excel. I'm not asking you that. I'm asking you in what purposes you use the Excel and how did you add the value. So he understands now, but I did not hear from anything. Hey, but I did it. Can you review it? So he's behind there. So don't worry, I already know what I'm looking for. So I will be stopping everyone if you do not do it properly. Good? So we already know that what we are looking for. And if you provide the work things even 40%, and that actually cover more than 80% what you teach them on, like things not needed, like the teaching style.
I just have a question. So I can see 503 technical questions. So out of 503, 100 are from like other course. I don't know, from QA or from.
Oh, yeah, those are needed for you. So in some point you will be needed. Those are all discussion about the first time, all this around the like the product owner, the best practices, how the flow works. I can assure you, before you go to the release, before you answer the release question, as a manager, they want to know, walk me through your process in place. And then
No, I did not complete my question. Those are not related to our course.
No, those which one is this? Those are from the.
Or we need the workshop so that we understand, like, like GitHub and Newman. We did not go there.
Oh,
all that stuff.
I
So
need to know the question. Okay, no, I cannot answer here. So one more time, I have the issues with you guys' communication. You guys should communicate during your weekday, and you should give the reference. This is the number. This is the number. What should we do?
I was told already that I can just tell, in the wherever I see that kind of question that they're not.
That's too late. This will be too late for you. So if you tell me during the week, then we can remove those questions. Do you understand what I mean?
You want to remove? Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know the scope. If you give me the question series, this is the questions. What should we do? Then we'll be looking into this. If we see this.
But back then, I wasn't told this that you guys would remove. I can just explain that we never covered this stuff. That's what I was told.
What do you mean? You are told by who and what?
A few workshops back, I think I forgot, either you or somebody. I asked here in the workshop.
Yeah. What is this? Can you give me a little bit details?
No, I mean, I was told that I can, wherever I see questions irrelevant, I don't know the answers, I can just write down. These are not from my course. That's it. I can just write down. And that's what I did for some questions.
So then why you are asking here now? Then?
I'm asking if we have anything, if we need to know all that, like you said it, then we need the workshop or something. If we don't need to know.
No. If the answer was given a couple weeks ago, then that's the answer is correct. At this moment, this is not relevant.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
No, that part will confuse
people. Guilty for so many questions. I'm saying I don't know. These are not.
No, you're good. Your question is good, but if you go to a group meeting, something was discussed and the answer was given, guideline was given to you. If you bring the same question again a couple weeks ago, if people start digging into this, like you just did it, and now I'm asking why you are asking me this question again, it is already solved.
Because it's so many questions. It's not just a couple of questions, so many questions.
Oh, then we start. You do not need to answer. We will be studying removing those questions then.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes.
Then you can raise still your question is valid. Then help us out during the weekday. There are still so many questions. is there any, what should we do? Then I will say, well, then we have to start looking into this. So
Sure,
can you
I'll
share?
remind.
Yeah, can you share the screen? No, let's fix this issue. Then we'll take over. Then we'll be start removing some of the
Sorry,
questions.
who's going to share, me or somebody?
It's you.
Okay.
Yeah, then we can add our team to start reviewing them. Yeah.
Okay, what would you like to see?
While you're talking about the technical question.
Oh, I need to go there then.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Let's go one. Do you have any note that we can look? Couple. I cannot answer here. Okay, thank you.
Answer, the one that I answered.
Okay. Yep, this is not for you. Yeah, I see that some of them already many.
Yeah, but these ones I already replied, I know from the postman.
Okay.
I don't know which one. I will have to see. Okay, I'll go to the one not answered yet.
Yeah. Yep, I already see skip quite a bit.
These one.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, these are not needed for you.
All 50 of them.
Yep. Panta, how
So
can
maybe
we?
I will remind during the week. You guys can.
No. We are taking the note now. Panta, can we remove them from the product owner, please?
Okay.
Okay, we'll do this.
So yeah, we are taking the notes. The assigned to a sheet, so we can remove. And this is the queue. This is all the database.
So we have 50 here, another 50 for the GitHub and Newman and all that stuff, you know.
Okay.
I already answered here somewhere.
That's fine. So from the GitHub, the Newman, and the database. Postman basic is fine. If you guys, again, we are not going to stop you. Like if you do not answer, because team will know. You as long as you say that, you're good.
So there are no more questions. Whatever we have here, that's it, right?
Yep.
Okay.
That's all you show and tell. Remaining
Alright.
all you show and tell. Okay. Yeah, no, what I'm saying, if something is excessive is going on, don't hold for the workshop. You still need to address, so that if we will review and if we see this need to be taken care of, we have to assign our team member so that they can work on it and to get it done. It still does not need to be wait for the workshop. That's what I'm trying to say. And you cannot, even in the project, you cannot do that also. Good? Okay, all right, sounds good.
And also, can I just share one more thing? This guy is
Yes,
Yolha from Java. He stopped updating tasks ever since he was told that he needs to put date for the workshop. Ziaul Haq,
Yes.
Muhammad Ziaul Haq.
Okay, what is
This is like second week he stopped updating tasks. I sent him a message, I think couple of times or one time, that please update your task. He did not reply, and then I included you in the group, and then he said yes. And then after hours, I checked it a couple of times. He did not do it. And there are other people with the problem. I don't know. They don't even reply unless they need help with something.
Thank you. So can you mention them in the Java group chat? And then
I did. I mean, yesterday yes.
You asked, this is the final follow-up, and this is the person, you guys are not doing anything, and you mentioned to me, and then I actually talk, I reach out to one-on-one, you have not responded to me. As of now, I have not seen any of your tasks on any Springboard. I have not seen any progress from you. Exactly the story you will tell, and send me the text first. I will approve it. I will review it, and then you can send to the Java group chat as well. And
especially the people from Java group,
yes.
They're not really updating tasks and they're not into this at all.
Exactly. Okay.
And the last 2 weeks, you did not come in the beginning. I don't know if you came late for the class. You know, otherwise I would have told you. I mean, they're
No,
not
no,
into all this.
yeah, fine, okay. No, so
And
go
then I
ahead.
messaged a few people.
Can you explain me what happened with Geolog Jason? Or what did you do with him?
Sorry.
Geolog Jason, what happened? Did you talk to him?
Remember
Did he?
No, he did not even reply. But when I included you in the group and then I said it again, and then he said yes. And I was like, okay, now he's going to do it. And then I checked a couple of times after that.
Okay.
I guess he did not like the idea of me telling that you're supposed to put the date next to whatever workshop you watched.
Yes, doesn't matter. He likes a engineer likes or not. This is the product owner job. This is how it works. We don't have any concern.
I'm not supposed to take it personal. I mean,
that's fine.
Yeah.
Look, I can take things personally. That's my problem. That's lack of my professionalism. But as the product owner, that's how it works. This is simple. And any work
that's
that
what
should be.
I think. I don't know, unless he's not doing anything and he's busy, not busy, whatever.
No.
But
he has to tell his issues that this is the I will update this. This is my issues. He's professionally. He's supposed to respond to you back. And this voice is recorded. I'm going to send him at the same time. Our conversation is recorded.
please.
I'm sending him
No,
at the same time.
nothing from me, please. Nothing from me.
No,
This is not personal.
No, exactly. We cannot take things personally. He's not doing it, and I also told him, okay, what other people is doing? The same people. So you said the Java.
Tasneem is sick. She said she's sick. And then Sabrina, she also has the task, but there's nothing sometimes in there, and sometimes she puts something, and I messaged her for the reminder, and she said that she is sick. And then Tasneem
Thank you.
Tasneem Saad, she said she is sick, and Sabrina said she said she's a hospital daughter or something. They're both sick.
You're good. Jason, he already find it because we need to tell the people.
I'm trying quietly. You don't see the effort, but I'm trying, but they never reply back. Or if they reply back, they're not really doing anything.
Okay, that's good to know. No, thank you. Anything else? I prepared 2 show and tell, but need to be reviewed. I answered who need to be reviewed. I watched workshop videos from 11, and then 11 took notes, did a show and tell. And very good job you did the show and tell. I'm very actually happy that you have done this, completed the part of technical test, get a springboard and retro board for groups. Okay, good. Let's see. What is Faria's activities? Faria, what happened with you?
Me, since my college started, I've been passing out from everything.
Okay, so you're not doing anything?
I'm sorry, I wasn't able to do much, but I've been thinking of doing. That's why I didn't write anything on the 112 section. I think I need to refresh.
That you should do. After my college, I have not done anything. That's still you should do. Because you are coming to the workshop, you are joining other meeting, so you're doing something. So you should say.
I don't think those are doing something. I was thinking more like, working on show and tell and all of those are program contents. When I meant, like, I didn't think that's what I meant.
Okay, no, but still you are in this pre. So sometimes as a product owner,
I try to join, and I can't always join, but I try to join and at least listen.
Okay,
So
you said that.
But I still don't think that's doing anything, so I didn't put it down.
No, that's not how it works. So as a product owner, you may work in the multiple project. So some project you just listen and coordinate, and other project you do your own project. It can happen at the mix and match. One project you are very dedicated, another project you are actually like just join to get your work done. To get your work done means your project is ABC, and another project you have a dependency, your B with another project. You have to go to their meeting, and you have to make sure they're updating your B because you're dependent on them. So still you have to create the visibility.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise it will not create it will not show the like other team. Okay, you are coming for your work. Okay, so no, I did not.
Can you refresh the page for Anna?
Okay. So you will say that I have done this registration, I'm preparing for this. So I don't know exactly what you mean you are not doing anything. That's all kind of administrative work. Those are also need to be considered, right? Those are
Yes.
work. So let me show you. Can you stop my screen quickly? So I think she thinking differently. I'm showing you now so you guys understand how that works. Discuss with. You guys know there is the. So if you see like I'm on this board. Okay, I'm on this board. I did my work. What happened? Why? What happened? Did I log out or what happened? Oh, you expanded? Okay.
Yeah.
You see this? My administrative work need to be done. Did you guys see that? Hey, Famida, do you see now?
Yes, I
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah, because we forget things. So my small task, it will take time. I need to do it. I need to just keep the track here so I can get the work done. So you can create an administrative task, product owner, the training and test administrative task, and then you can add registration, preparation, and then like your schedule ready. And another administrative task is that the leading the development team, whatever you do. So those need to be here. Okay, so because you are acting like you are not part of the team, so there's kind of the broken process. And if people do not feel like you are part of the team, they will not care. They will start like dodging around you. And if you get into the dodging page with the development team member, you will be done. They will not be done because if someone find you, you are in the dodging the period, means you are not all in, and they will start driving you the reverse engineering. And in this case, you will see there is no value in any team. And instead of like you get frustrated with them, you will start saying, well, no, they're actually making the statement, I need to be gone from the project. So we do not want this to be happen. Each place you are engaged, minimum communication. Hey, I'm inactive for this week. Please excuse. So the people will know. Or I'm active on this project. In this project, I'll be less active. Or I'm focusing on that thing. Yes. We discuss about it. You guys do not do this. That's not good. Thank you. Okay. So, okay, Pranti, you can stop. Then you can start now.